Welcome to my channel. This is Lacia75, the Black Unicorn. In case some of you were curious about everyday living and things that you may have to experience when you move to Ghana, I'm just going to share some of my experience. So I recently moved into a new apartment and I was getting air installed. So the apartment already came with the hookups for the air, but I had to get the installation done. So as you can see here, there are like 3-4 guys who are installing the air, plus my guy is there watching over everything to make sure it's being done right, and making sure it's getting done, because you just have to do that here. And this whole process for these 2 air conditioning units took like 4 hours. Like, it took so much longer than I thought it would take. And part of that is because some of the equipment they forgot at their workshop. One of the guys had to run back and go get some of the things. The fact that they pulled out a whole like blowtorch. Probably sure it's not called a blowtorch, but there's a live fire there. And I was like, what the hell? I hope don't burn down my new place. That's all I was thinking. But I wanted to share the process, because some of you will be curious, like, okay, I buy these air conditioning units, now what? For those of you coming from the States, you really need to realize that the air conditioning units here are hella different than what you may be used to, because they come in 2 pieces. The piece that you mount on the wall, and then a larger piece that sits outside, which is like that, I don't know what these parts are called, but it's like the big part that needs air and ventilation and, stuff like that. And then the smaller part, the one where the air actually blows out cold for you, is the one that they install on the wall. So you can see them here installing the one in the living room. There's also another one in the bedroom. They were kind of installing these simultaneously, and then had to stop when they had to get that additional set of equipment to come out to them. So for those of you who don't know, I went a whole year without air conditioning in the place that I was living at prior. And I will say to all of you who are not used to hot weather, to all of you who don't want to feel like you're sitting in a sauna all day, every day, get air. Get a place that will allow you to install air, and get a place that has air conditioning already in it. Most places that are cheaper in price, more affordable, allow you to install it. But I'm noticing now even some high-end places don't install air. You have to install your own air. And that's fine, because the hookups are already pretty much there. The installers just have to come in and like put everything together for you. So I will say that there are all different types of AC installers here, right? You have the professional companies, you have those who aren't that professional, you have those in the middle. I would say this one is those in the middle. The company is borderline professional. You got a lot of young guys working for him who are his apprentice, and they're still learning. Some of them are good at what they do, clean up, try not to make a mess, and do it right the first time. Others don't, so then the other person, you'll find out, will go back over their work and make them do it again. That's what happened in this case. That's another reason why it took long. My guy was there watching everything, was like, I don't think you did that right. You need to, go back and fix it. So he made them fix some things, but the person who had the most experience was double checking the other guy's work as well. And so there was a lot of repetition of things, but at the end of the day, it all got done right, and my air works beautifully. I will say that the best time to buy air conditioning units here in Ghana is during the Christmas season. Like, let's say right after Thanksgiving, because I'm going to let you guys know who don't travel. Black Friday is a thing worldwide now. Like, America has made that popular amongst businesses. Other retailers across the world realize they can benefit from it. So you'll find Black Friday in Germany, UK, China, and in Ghana. And from Black Friday to the week before Christmas, there are a ton of great sales, and it's the best time to buy air conditioning units. So I bought 2 air conditioning units They were each about $200, a little over 200. Let's say they were about 225 each. $225 each. That's about 1,300 Ghana cedis, 1,300 Ghana cedis. Of course, if you're using pounds, it'll be cheaper for you. But they were installing this 4 or 5 stories up with no safety harnesses or anything. So I about died several times because I just knew one of them were going to die. Whew, some of the things you see here is like surprising. But at the end of the day, they got the job done. You know, it wasn't that expensive to get it installed, and we tipped them well for it. I mean, well, he tipped them, you know, and got it all installed. And I think the installation, I don't know. I actually didn't pay for the installation, so I'm not even sure how much it was. But I'll say the installation must have been around, let's say, $150, maybe $200. In installation, depending on where you are, how many you're getting installed, can be anywhere from $100 to, let's say, $400 or $500, because it depends on how many you're getting installed, where they're installing it at, the company you pick. A whole bunch of factors go into pricing here. So that was just the price range in which we were. Again, I didn't pay for this, so I'm just going on what I was told. So, yeah, so it worked out, though. I have air. And let me tell you something, y'all need air in Ghana. I'm just saying, because it's hella hot. You can't even take it. Okay, y'all, like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this. I had this on my phone. Finally was able to get it off and share it with you all. Have a good one. Bye.